Hello, are you curious about the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system and how it works? And have you ever wondered how massive mud cover truck from construction site or mining area get cleaned so quickly and efficiently? In today's video, we will dive into its working principle, operating process, and the amazing benefit it offers. Let's get started. The Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system is an advanced solution specifically designed to clean vehicles operating in harsh environments like construction site, coal mine, material storage yard, and concrete mixing station. This system allows dump trucks, tipper, and heavy-duty vehicles to be washed quickly without human intervention, significantly saving time, labor, and operational costs. Unlike traditional washing methods that take a lot of time and effort, the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system uses high-pressure water jet to completely remove mud and dirt from vehicles in just a few minutes. This not only helps protect the vehicles from corrosion but also ensure a cleaner and safer environment around the work site. To get a better understanding of how the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system works, let's take a closer look at its main component. This system is designed with two key sections, the upper section and the lower section. About the upper section, features a heavy-duty steel frame, vehicle guide barrier, and 36 high-pressure nozzles to clean the side and the wheel of the vehicles. And about the lower section, it is equipped with 42 power nozzles that blast away mud and dirt from the undercarriage, one of the toughest areas to clean. Additionally, the system is integrated with photoelectric sensor that detect incoming vehicles, automatically activating the wash cycle when a truck enters and shutting off when it exits. All these components work in perfect sync to ensure an efficient and resource-saving cleaning process. The Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system operates fully automatically, streamlining the vehicle cleaning process through the following steps. Firstly, the vehicle enters the system. As the truck moves into the wash zone, optical sensor detects its presence and activate the high-pressure water pumps. Secondly, side and wheel cleaning. 36 high-pressure nozzles on both sides spray directly onto the vehicle's surface, effectively removing stubborn mud and dirt. Thirdly, undercarriage wash. At the same time, 42 powerful nozzles underneath the vehicle blast away built-up mud and debris from the undercarriage, one of the hardest areas to clean. Finally, process completion. Once the vehicle exits the wash area, the system automatically shuts off the pumps to convert water and electricity. One of the standout features of the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system is the exceptional cleaning speed. While manual washing can take 15 to 30 minutes per vehicle, this automated system completes the job in just 2 to 3 minutes, boosting efficiency to up to 200 vehicles per day. This translates into a huge benefit for business, helping them streamline operation and maximize productivity. The Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system comes packaged with advanced features that enhance efficiency and durability. Fully automatic operation. Equipped with smart sensor, the system automatically detects, activates, and shuts off without the need for manual operation. Built-in automatic sludge drainage. Keep the wash area clean and clog-free, ensuring smooth operation. Thirdly, low maintenance costs. A simple yet durable design makes it easy to replace parts when needed. Nextly, adjustable wash time. The system allows users to customize wash duration based on how dirty the vehicle is. And finally, smart control panel, made from stainless steel for high durability and user-friendly operation. With its powerful cleaning performance and fully automated operation, the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system is widely used in various locations. Firstly, large construction site. Secondly, coal, stone, and sand mine. Thirdly, concrete mixing station. Fourthly, waste treatment plant. And finally, transport and logistic yard. Implementing this system not only reduces labor costs but also helps protect the environment thanks to its modern recycling system. With clear advantage in speed, cleaning efficiency, and operational cost, the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash system is a worthy investment for business in construction, transportation, and mining. Using this system not only protects vehicles from damage caused by mud and debris, but also enhance the professional image of your business. If you are looking for the ultimate solution to wash construction vehicles quickly, efficiently, and cost-effectively, the Go&Go automatic wash system is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below to get further information, and see you in our next video.